Hi! In front of me is Honor 90 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to a printer. Begin by going into Devices Settings and tapping on More Connections right away. Then select Printing, Default Print Service, Now wait! Your device is looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. If you wish to use different service, tap on this blue sweater next to the default one. Go back, tap on Add Service and download the best one for your printer. When it's ready, click on the back button twice. Lastly, just tap on your new service and wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!